Okay, here is the 1958 Thunderbird. This is a really nice car. I have it priced inexpensive because I didn't pay a ton for this car, so I'm not trying to sell it for a ton. I just want to move it and move on. Floors are extremely solid. Walking slow. Brakes are all new. We put new brake lines, new wheel cylinders, everything new in there. Well, not new drums, but everything else. Car starts and runs, has a new battery, fresh oil change, coolant flushed. We also, what else did we do? We did carb, brakes, coolant flush, what else was there? Did a couple other stuff. It will come to me. When you got 40 cars to remember, it's not that easy. But the brake lines are new, wheel cylinders new, and the car does start and run. Oh, battery too, yeah. And the car does run and drive very well. So, any questions on it, feel free. Again, this is the 58 Thunderbird at Charlestown Classic. I really need to get more subscribers, so can you please subscribe? It would help out a lot. Just click the subscribe button and like it, and we'll be good to go. And when you do that, you do get to see the cars usually before I even get them in, picking them up. It's a pretty easy thing. You'll see it before then. If you really like the car, makes it easy for you to see it beforehand, get a better deal before we start advertising and going through all that.